Hey guys, once again I want to congratulate you on your vehicle purchase. If you plan on coming down and taking advantage of the 3 free stress-free oil changes, I wanted to welcome you to Subaru Puyallup and give you a little bit of a tour. Follow me. So when you come in, you're going to have 2 service bay drives to pull up in. These are heated and cooled depending on the time of year. One of our advisors will check you in. Once you get checked in, one of our service advisors will guide you through the process, and I'll show you where we're going to wait and hang out. So this is our stress-free waiting lounge. We have 2 areas. We have our quiet reading lounge, we have our TV lounge with our snack bar. We also provide free Wi-Fi, and we have a kids play area. If you have any questions or you need directions to our dealership, feel free to reach out. Once again, Justin People, Subaru Puyallup, your stress-free dealership.